Hi guys, today we are discussed about the join command in Creo sheet metal designing, and so that you are clearly understand about these things, how to make an two pieces of sheet metal designs. You can make it one is single by the using join command, and this is the main motto. And here that is given the connect the two intersecting walls. Okay, and the two walls must be the intersect, and that can be making the joints, so that I making models that is presented in my screen, and which is that is the first wall is here and the second wall is here. And so now go to the model trees, how to make it. Firstly, here after completed the models, it is the one single base walls, no distinct pieces in models. So that firstly I go to the model trees. Firstly make and the planar walls, that is here. Okay, and that is the also you can modify here one type, which type of your that is sketch is required. And one thing is most important is that is the two walls are mostly intersect to each other, and that it can be uh, take the join commands. And if you are not intersect the walls, so that the join command is not active, not work. So that I make it to the plane of first walls. Okay, and after that I am making the data planes yours, and that is the distance between the 100 mm. And after that we making the planar walls, second planar walls, that is here. Okay, for the profiles I can make it and remodify it, no issue, and edit years, and you can even the which type of your profiles required in the product models. And that after that your sketch is completed, and go to the OK buttons, and then OK. Okay, and here first one thing is important, that is the first walls, and so that is not given the type what is the quantity of the walls. And when we are completed the second walls, then that is given the two distinct pieces of the first one is here and second one is here. Okay, and in this condition we are we can apply the join command in the sheet metal designs, that helps to join the two walls by intersecting each other. After that we are making the joint here. How to join? Firstly we are going to demodify it, and go to the placement, select the first and second. Okay, I am completed this by the array again join command. Okay, go to the here edit buttons, and click here the join, and placement is first one is here, and go to the second walls also, control, press control T, and here the type of direction you is required. Here the required is this direction, you can select here. Okay, and after that you given the radius, corner radius is also provided. I am given the 5 mm is a corner radius. And also the relief you can given your the rectangle type is relief is given. Also you can given the blind thickness, that is 5 mm. Okay, and the blind also I am given the blind also, and thickness is 6 mm, and also the 3 mm. Okay, here the rectangle type of relief is presented in the models, so that it is maintaining our models by relief conditions. Okay, after that, well, that is the second thing is option is here available is the trim geometry. You can select the along up to trim at the intersection line, and along the direction of the trim here. Okay, and trimming the portion is presented, no issue. and you can first obtain it. Okay, and trimming condition are required the no. Also you can select here the all the on trimming person is presented in the models. Here is downward is also presented, and uh, this option is available in join command. Okay, band allowance is ultimately from the settings. Okay, and that is after completed you can preview it, and you can okay, and this is the completed by the join command, and after that here you can see what that is the no adjusting piece in the models, that is the single piece in the models. So that thank you to all, that is the completed join command in the sheet metal design. Thank you to all for watching my videos.